I have a little alto to show you today. This is my design for an all-around small ukulele. It's kind of a small concert or big soprano. Number 936. Made a ton of these in the last 8 years, and I'm really proud of it. This has got nice simple walnut back and sides from a local tree that we got to mill. I like the stripy colors in it. It's got a Orford cedar top that grows in southwestern Oregon mainly. It's got a cypress neck, salvaged cypress from an old factory tank, and pistachio for the rest. I really like the sapwood and graft on this one. Strung high G, it's got a K&K pickup, and it's just a comfortable size instrument. If you want that kind of small uke sound, but you don't want to play a tiny soprano, you know, this might be a good one for you. $9.36. Cheers.